it like a tattoo. The way you wear that dress, they gon' attack you. Way you look at me, baby, I got you.
What's up? It is your girl Vibewit.Alissa. Happy 4th of July to everybody. So me and my sister Amber are going to the piers to see fireworks tonight. So we will see you guys when we're on the way and when we're there. And I will be recording the fireworks on this camera on my phone. And I brought another camera with me so you guys can see all the editing and all the things that I add to this video. So we'll see you guys. This is the camera that I was telling you guys about that I will be recording the fireworks and taking pictures on tonight. And it is called Pix Pro, Kodak Pix Pro, my bad. So this is the two cameras I will be using, this one and my phone camera. So we'll see you guys soon. Way to the piers to go watch some fireworks. So what's up, Amber? Yeah, we are heading to the bus now. So we will see you guys. We just got the bottle and now we are waiting for the bus. There's my sister Amber. Yeah, we are just waiting for the bus and we'll see you guys when we are on the bus and when we get to the piers. I'll show you guys the fireworks. So, that's now. I'm heading to the train. So we'll see that. Now we are waiting for the J train. Yeah, we're just waiting for the J train to come, and then we'll see you guys when we are on the J train. But yeah, we're on the train, and we're almost there. So, see you guys when we get off the train, and we are walking to the piers. So we'll see you guys when we get there. We just filled up our ice cups, and we are off the train, as you can tell. We are just now walking to the piers. Don't mind me holding my phone like this because I have my cup in this hand, so I have to do it like this. And yeah, don't mind the water staying right there. The drink spilled on me a little bit. But yeah, so we will see you guys at the piers. And it is really, really hot. And we are just waiting for the fireworks to start. That is a nice view right there of the sunset. And yeah, we're just waiting for the fireworks to start. And I will try to get the best fireworks up on my videos. And I'm also going to still be using my other camera as well. So I'll see you guys again when I start recording the fireworks. Fireworks started at 9:20, and we are just chilling here and waiting for them to start. So I guess we'll see you guys whenever they can start.